I'm starting this vlog out by telling you that my family is crazy.
Hi.
And they can't get their shit together.
Don't include me in that. I'm
the
only one with my shit together.
We have Sophie coming with us. Are you good, Soph?
Yep.
Speak up.
I'm good.
Okay. I've got Sophie, Bryan, Ellen, me, and Stu. We're all going to Bradbury Mountain.
Great. Damn midget's been driving the truck.
To go hiking for the day. We brought some lunches, so it'll be fun.
This should be interesting.
A fun little outing. It's already starting out really well.
You got the bug spray?
Yeah. Yes.
Would you shut up about the bug spray?
Yes, we have the bug spray. We have.
Where's the dog?
I don't know.
He's
right there. And we have sunscreen. And we have extra clothes.
Right there.
Jack, really? Watch your leg. Might be tick.
Okay, I got the man strapped to me and we're on our way.
Near a field. Full of ticks.
Ellen's terrified of ticks.
I got spray on.
Let's see how long Ellen lasts before she starts huffing and puffing. Mind you, I have the 20-pound baby strapped to my stomach, but you know, 19 at least. I'll make it to the top and she'll die halfway through.
I got more than that strapped to my stomach.
Eventually get it there, right?
This is true. You can't. This is true. There's Mr. Man. You can kind of see him. Say hi. Say hi, Boog. What do you think? What? What'd you do to her?
Tick just got her.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Extreme sport way.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we almost went the really steep way, but we decided to take the easy one.
You can put. Yeah, you can hold it way up here because you have it right on the face.
And so it's really pretty out here and lots of birds.
Good thing you brushed
Don't
your
laugh.
teeth. You're on camera.
This is true.
But there's a sign coming up.
You got your chip?
Okay, so go up that way then.
Go that
Oh,
way.
that way. Ski trail.
We'll get up to it on that one too, but that's a little tougher trail.
Right. Yeah, I don't want a super tough trail.
So skiers go here, huh?
I think it's just called the ski trail. I don't.
Probably people do.
Yeah, I don't know if they ski on it or not. Maybe they do in the winter. What do you think? We'll go.
I think so.
No, I know they don't plow the trails, so
Mosquito.
they probably
Mosquito
snow
got
shoe
you.
and ski.
Mosquito got you. Okay, maybe I'm more out of shape than I thought. What do you think, huh, Boog? Miss Sophie over there with her bright orange pants. You can't lose Sophie.
No.
With her bright orange shorts. Hey. Alright, I had a trade-off. Apparently I'm a lot less fit than I thought I was. Hi, Boogie. Ugh. My poor back. When you see the sun, we're getting to the top. Oh, so many roots, guys. So many roots. It's like a death trap for people like me.
I think they got a custom tail with a forest.
They should. Oh, there's orange pants up there again. I don't even know if you guys can see her. What do you think, Mr. Man? All his clothes got stripped. Oh, and there's a tick on you. Get it off.
Gullible woman. Jesus.
Can I see your head for a second? I think there's a tick on it. Oh my god, Ellen, there's a tick. Ah, it's right there! Get it off! I can't hold a straight face. That's my problem. I can't not laugh. I need to make videos just of like tricking Ellen. Hi, Boogie.
What's going on? What's going on?
You're gonna learn that making Ellen jump a foot is fun. Yes. Okay, this kid is making us look pathetic. Just saying.
What energy have you been
I know. What? I think we made it. Yay, we made it. We made it to the top. We did it. Sophie will be here for the next hour finding the hat. He needs to have the little strap on his head. Oh, whatever. Now you look cute. We're at the top, guys. We made it. Oh, Mr. Man's
He's gonna
tired.
have to go back in that thing.
Okay. Oh, you gotta get all the way to the edge. Oh, his hat fell off. Want a bite of your sandwich? Yum. Would say yummy? You say this is pretty cool.
You're welcome, Ellen.
Ellen, you made it all the way to the top.
Wow.
I'm so proud of you. Hey guys, we're going down the more difficult route on the way down.
Yay!
We're gonna challenge ourselves.
Yay! The other one was super easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Not bad?
It's not that bad as we're looking straight down.
Just don't aim my way.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Ellen.
gonna take you with me. You kidding me? You're going with me.
So mean. You take your own life over your family members.
Ellen, don't take me out with you. Don't aim my way.
Because I'll be
That's all.
for hours.
Don't cry. Dead people don't cry.
That's true.
I got you back here.
Yeah, I got you.
I got you by your handle.
Like, oh, and that means if he goes down, you're going down with him.
Oh, you're right in front of
Oh
us.
shit!
And I'm right here.
I didn't-
Away from you.
We've got time to move. Trail we took.
There's Sophie.
Yeah,
You guys make such a cute couple.
Ew.
Just kidding. No one can have him. He's mine.
but Ellen's next in line if something happens to you.
I know. If I fall off this mountain, she's gonna shove me off this mountain just so she can have you.
Got a kid's swing.
Itchy. Well, we're gonna go play on the playground for a little bit.
You wanna go play in the playground?
All right, we'll be back.
Baby, yeah, baby. Is that my baby? Yeah, baby. My baby. Yeah, baby. Isn't your mine? Yours. Mine. Yours. Mine. Yours. Oh, Daddy got you.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Ah, no, Boogie. It's gonna get scary. Wow.
That's what I call babies.
Woo.
I'm your baby. My baby. Your baby. And you're mine.
Oh, nice snort. He snorted.
He's mine.
Okay, guys, we are home. I think we're going to end the vlog. We've had a long day.
Bryan joining. He just woke up
Mr.
from a
Man
nap.
just woke up. just in time to be home. But thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!